Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. So for example, you want to put a green screen video on top of your other video, so I'm just going to do that. You import your own video. Now you're going to put this layer on top as overlay, and for example you want it to appear somewhere here, but as you can see now it's on the whole video and you cannot see the video itself. So we need to remove this green color in our screen. So first of all, you want to go ahead and select this video, which has a green screen. And then make sure you select the video, basic, and there is remove background option. So you want to go ahead and click remove background, and now we have chroma key, which we want to select. And now the color picker, select the green like so. And now as you can see, it has removed this. Now you can also bring intensity more if you want to, as you can see, but I think that's enough. You can also add some shadow. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.